Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Git. Today we are going to learn how to install the Git on the Ubuntu. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So why we are using the Git? That's very important because version controlling, that's very important. So you want to track the changes which people has pushed the code and which people has like doing the which type of code they have written down, right? The code you can see about the which person has written down the code and you want to track the changes, so that's the reason the git plays the role. Whether it's to be git or github would be the same, the commands would be the same. So let's begin with the how to install git, then we are going with the flow, like how to add the files, how to commit the changes, how to stash the changes, how to upload the changes to the github repository. So everything we are going to learn in the current series. So let's get started. Okay, so let's go to the terminal and I'm going to go with cd var www.html. Okay, so first of all we have to install the git, right? So first of all you have to run this command, right? After that you have to go with the installation of this command. Okay, so make me go to this one. I'm going to run this command, app install. Other if it is not installed, then it will give me the error that git command is not found, right? So if I'm going to log in with this, so you can see the git is already at the newest version, so it is already installed, right? I'm going to check the git version with the help of this. Okay, so currently the git version is 2.25.1, right? So that means git is installed, right? So git is installed. So let's see in the next video what we are going to learn. Create a github account. So github git is installed, right? So after that we have to play around the github, like how to push the changes, how to like pull the changes, merge the changes, everything which is basic requirement of a github, right? When you are working with the very big project and the 4 or 5 people are working in the same project, so it's very important for the versioning controlling of your project, right? So let's see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.